Hi, my name is Ben, and I started trading cryptocurrencies in 2017. And in order to help me save time and trade more, I created an algorithm that automatically scans the market. In this series, I will show you how to manage the trades created by the trading bot and how you can become profitable using the algorithm. So it's been a few days since my last video, but I didn't want to close the week without making one. The markets are really slow, not much is happening, but yeah, let's have a look at what happened in the last few days. So we'll start with CHZ. It's not making any move like all the other markets. Like, they're just slowly staying in this sideways pattern, not really breaking out in any direction, which makes it really hard to trade. But in this case we have CHZ, so we still have one buy pending and we have ourselves waiting, so nothing to do for this one. Then we have ZIL, also slowly grinding down towards our last buy, and yeah, we're waiting for the sells to go out. Now let's reset the break-even price. As you can see, we can go out here, so if these hit, then we're fine. I don't expect this to hit all of a sudden, just because of the current market situation, so we just have to be a little bit more patient. Then we have CEC, had another buy yesterday, and so I already adjusted the sells. And we still have one buy pending. I moved it down a little bit, just because of the current situation where everything seems to be slowly grinding down. So in this case, we'll be waiting for this support level. And then we have T-loss is also getting away from us. So actually, I'm going to have to break up this position and fully take over manually, because currently it was still stuck in a smart position. So let's just clean that up, and then we'll manage that further. There we go. And so yeah, now we have all the funds, and then we'll set up the targets. And we want to get out on a bounce, or at least we want to recover some funds on a bounce. We're not going to go all the way back to break even for this one, just because it won't happen all of a sudden. Okay, so let's place these. Now because we broke the smart position, it's now become a fully manual position, so we have to make sure that the bot doesn't go back into T-loss again. So we have to add it to the blacklist in a minute. Then we have APL. Yeah, it dropped and could make a nice recovery for these two buys, so we'll leave it like this. And then we have here again. Yeah, it's also still good chance for recovery, so we don't have to do anything for now. Okay, so let's just blacklist the T-loss as we've exited this one. So we'll do max concurrent positions 2 because we don't have any. T-loss, save, and this one also go down to 3 and T-loss. There we go. So now we have all our positions opened, and currently can't take any more. So we just have to wait for the market to recover a little. Now you could argue that, closing all the positions and try to get into a new one would be better, but actually the market is just in the same situation as it was a week ago. So opening new positions would just lead to more losses and more reds. So we stay in these markets just to make sure that we manage these and that we slowly recover our losses from these ones, which is basically the same as getting new positions and then hoping that they would recover quickly. Like currently the market is just really, really difficult. The volatility is not there. So if something breaks through a base with a slight panic, it takes much longer for it to recover. These market cycles are normal. They happen every other year or so. It's just the situation that we're in right now. But if you're patient, your patience will be rewarded at some day. And then as long as we keep managing these positions and we minimize our losses, then we should be able to recover from this much quicker, and we really can profit on the recovery from the other market. So if we look at Bitcoin, this is such a weird pattern, and you can see it happened here as well. Like it slowly starts to move sideways, and then all of a sudden it drops. So for me, that's still a good possibility that it will drop. So yeah, just make sure that you've got your buy orders pending, so that you can buy more Bitcoin on the way down. And yeah, let's just hope that the market volatility will return so that we can continue to make those quick profits. All right, that's it for the week, and then I'll hope to see you again on Monday.